Hey everyone, I'm Selena for Who is Jesus Today. How's everyone doing out there? I guess I'll become famous for that line, right? And I know that everyone's doing it all kinds of ways. And some are doing better than others. Some are doing great, grand. Some are in devastation. But you know what's true? God is real and He loves you. Heaven and earth will pass away, but the word of God will stand forever. And today, I like to give a warning in the name of the Lord, beginning first with myself. Ephesians 6:10 and 11. Finally, be strong in the Lord and in His mighty power. Put on the full armor of God. Put on the full armor of God. Why? So that you may take your stand against the devil's schemes. Be strong in the Lord and put on the full armor of God so that you can take your stand against the devil's schemes. I'd like to encourage you, everyone out there, beginning with myself, take that very personal. Let that be very personal, because you know why? It's true. There isn't any way that you can live out your life as a child of God and not come up against schemes, attacks, spiritual warfare. Wherever you go, what will seem like the most calmest place on the planet, even if you're by yourself all day, you're not going to get away from some kind of schemes that Satan has planned for you. But how do we overcome it? With the full armor of God. I invite you today, and I'm telling you, you have to take this very personal. And much love. You can like and subscribe. Until next time, Shalom.